Welcome to the kitchen where we make everything but pasta. Today we're going to be making this amazing and delicious banana bread, a recipe passed down in the family. It is moist and absolutely delicious. This is really an easy recipe. If you have some bananas that are past their due date, then what else would you do with it? You could either make a smoothie or you can make this banana bread. And let me tell you, this will be the best banana bread you've ever tried. Let's get to the kitchen and get started. These are the ingredients we're going to need to make this banana bread today. To the flour, add the baking soda and the salt and gently mix it together and set it aside. We'll start by creaming the butter and the sugar in our mixing bowl. And we'll mix this for about 2 minutes or until the butter and the sugar has creamed. Now we'll add the eggs one at a time and mix between additions. Make sure that you scrape the sides to get everything mixed completely. Next, add a teaspoon of vanilla and continue mixing. We'll now add the buttermilk and continue mixing. Now add the flour by spoonfuls and mix between additions. Now add the mashed bananas to the mix. And finally add the walnuts if you're using them. Just give it a quick mix for about 20 seconds. Prepare the pan by spraying some cooking oil. We'll now transfer the batter into the loaf pan and bake it at 325 degrees for about 70 minutes or until the toothpick inserted comes out clean. The bread is now ready and we're going to let it sit for about 20 to 30 minutes until it cools off. Then we'll slice it and have a taste test. Okay, so the banana bread is ready now. I have sliced it here and let's give it a taste test. I'm going to use a little bit of butter today for my banana bread. So let's give it a try. It's probably not the healthiest thing you'll make. However, let's give it a try. Okay, look at it. It's moist and very delicious looking. Yep. I love it. It's really good. It's got a nice flavor and I can get a few nuts in every bite. It's amazing. It's really good. If you enjoyed this video, give us a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more delicious recipes. Thanks for watching. Bye.